Hi, my name is Vivian Lee. I'm the Culinary Empowerment Coordinator for Plant Powered Metro New York, and welcome to our cooking series as we celebrate Asian American Pacific Islander Heritage Month. Today, I'm really pleased to share with you a family recipe called a quick cucumber kimchi. It's meant to be eaten as a salad. It's quick, refreshing. So let's get started. And I'm going to start off with my 2 cucumbers. These are Persian cucumbers. I think they're pretty common to find in your local supermarket. You can also purchase Kirby cucumbers. I'm just go ahead and cut off the ends. And you want to cut about a 1/4 inch coins. What you want to do next is, in a separate mixing bowl, you'll place the cucumbers inside. I also have a bit of carrot to add some color, so I'll do the same and cut them into thin slices. I won't use all of it, just to add enough color. Okay, and the second ingredient, or the third rather, is I have about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt that I'm going to add to this. And this is to season it and make it pickled. It's a quick pickle. And then you'll just mix it and toss it. And you're going to let this sit for about 15 minutes so that the juices come out, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so while the cucumber and the carrot pickle is set aside, we're going to go ahead and mix our sauce or marinade. So I have here, we're going to put in Korean chili flakes, or also known as gochugaru, and you can find this in H Mart, which might be close to where you live, or any other Asian supermarket near you. So this is about 1/2 teaspoon, but for those who are sensitive to spicy foods, you might want to start off with a 1/4 teaspoon and increase it as you go. I like it spicy, so I'm just going to use 1/2 teaspoon. We're going to put 2 garlic cloves. These are minced already. We'll add that. Love the flavor of garlic. It's high in antioxidants, so it's great for your immune system. We're also going to put in a little bit of soy sauce. This is low sodium soy sauce. I have here about a 1/2 teaspoon. I have here a teaspoon of rice vinegar. And I have here a tablespoon of maple syrup as our sweetener. This replaces the added sugar. And then for flavoring, I have here about a 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil. Oh, sorry, I have to put the sesame oil. And this is purely just for flavor. We don't use this to cook it in our food. And this one, I actually wanted to show you the bottle, so I didn't have it already out. And this I picked up from Trader Joe's, but you can also easily find this in your supermarket in the Asian or ethnic food aisle. Okay, that's going to add a nice nutty flavor. And we're going to mix this. So this is our marinade. So you can see that it's quite vibrant in the color. I wish you can smell this through the camera. So I'm going to bring back my cucumber and carrot pickle. This has already been set for about 15 minutes. And then I'm going to pour this in the bowl. And we're going to start mixing it. this is a quick version. It's almost like a salad, and you can eat this with a bowl of rice. Typically is how I like to eat it, or you can put it on top of a salad. Okay. And that is our quick cucumber kimchi. So let me plate this for you. Okay, so I'm going to transfer this to a smaller bowl so that I can plate it for you nicely. Don't be alarmed by the color. It is a little bit spicy, but I did put half teaspoon, and I want to reiterate that if you're not used to spicy food, please start off small. Okay, I'll put this here. And then for the finishing touch, I love to add sesame seeds for garnish. It adds a pop of color. It's a nice contrast. So I'm going to sprinkle it on top of it like this. I love this side dish. I have it often at home. And then you could have this by itself, although typically we eat it with a bowl of rice. Otherwise, it's a little too salty, but it adds a nice pickle flavor along with your rice to make a full meal. I hope you enjoy this quick cucumber kimchi.